Hello, it's Owain at Tonic HQ, and we've got some amazing bundles for you this weekend on the Tonic Studios store. Now it revolves around Craft Perfect, we've got Tonic Studios tools, and we've got Tim Holtz tools as well. And we've got a big headline product which is almost brand new to the Tonic Studios store, which is the Tonic scoring board, and that's available this weekend, bundled with the Crafter's card creaser as well. It's an awesome brand new thing from Tonic that you're going to love and enjoy. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through a few of the bundles that we've got in a bit more detail, tell you what's available this weekend. All these bundles, they'll be up to 50% off on the store as well, and they're available from midnight on Friday all the way until Monday at 4 p.m. So we'll start with the scoring board. And as we said here, so the design, you may look a bit familiar from the Hoogie board. We've got the rights for that now, and Tonic have reproduced that as the Tonic scoring board. So if you're a big fan of the Hoogie board and you want something that's a little bit updated, that is the Tonic scoring board now for you. And it's a beautiful in a nouveau sort of grey, but yeah, you've got the Tonic Studios branded on there, but also you're going to get your card creaser there at, with a discount as a bundle. So yeah, that's a great one for you, an essential, a true craft room essential. Next up, we've got loads of mirror card for you, so a lovely selection of bright and sort of varied colours actually. They're not so much thematic with these. You've got purples, you've got golds, you've got that beautiful sort of blue, purpley blue, and peach as well, and mints and greens as well. So yeah, wonderful mirror card selection if you want to top that up. Great for Christmas coming up if you're doing some last minute cards, or going into spring with those fresher colours as well. Next up, we've got a mega sort of quite an earthy pack of cards. You've got classic cards there in blacks, creams, greys and whites and browns, but you also got this construction acetate in there, craft card and grey board as well. So yeah, a really sort of earthy, sort of down-to-earth selection of cards there for your colours. So it will correspond lovely with these mirror cards that you have here as well. Next up then, we've got a lovely bundle, again, a craft room essential is a glass mat, all right? So got this glass mat here, but you're also going to get the embossing tools with it and the craft knife as well. You can take a look there. It's got all the measurement grids and things that you'd see on that, and you can see a close-up on the product page and check for all the details that you're looking for and check that this has it. But really popular product and lovely for more compact. So yeah, sort of a compact workspace if you've got that, if you haven't got the room for a larger glass mat, so it's perfect for that. Next up, we've got you've got the 6x6 card packs here, and you've got them in mirror card, you've got them in foiled craft card, and you've got them in speciality card as well. So 24 sheets in each. Yeah, great quality, all the quality you'd expect from Craft Perfect in these lovely craft packs. Next up then, we've got sort of your dimension set, and you've got foam pads in range of sizes. So you've got to the smallest, and then you've got a larger foam pad. So if you're adding dimension and depth and raising the level or creating some sort of 3D and forward-looking effect, then yeah, dimension pads. If you've never tried dimension pads, they're going to change your crafting, all right? And then finally, we've got the double-sided tissue tape as well in there, and again, a great craft room essential for you. So yeah, all these products are available on the Tonic Studios store this weekend, and as I said, from midnight on Friday all the way until Monday at 4 p.m. at up to 50% off. So grab yourself a bargain this weekend on the Tonic Studios store.